Here come the 2014 Cattle Call Queen and Teen Queen.
My name is Alex Baran, and I'm the 2014 Cattle Call Queen. This weekend we have our Brawley parade that starts at 10 a.m. and then we have our 3 rodeo performances starting Saturday afternoon at 2 p.m., Saturday evening at 7 p.m., and then Sunday afternoon at 1 p.m. People can look forward to seeing the Queen, seeing bands, football, cheerleaders. I mean, the parade is just spectacular.
The Living History Association honors our American military by showcasing vehicles, military items, and the U.S. flag. That concludes our